This one, it's only records there. It's records on 720, but other, no, it's not. And I will send to you guys that it's, I don't know, it's making sound, buzzing sound. I hope, I don't know how to, it's use this for me. Because I need always to reset everything. I need to push that small button at the bottom of this thing. Okay, I hope you could give me some nice answers.